Hey, how's it going guys? I'm going to do another keyboard review, this time from Logitech. It comes with Cherry MX Blue and it also features a dedicated multimedia controller. The model is G610 Orion Blue, a backlight mechanical gaming keyboard. Yep, it's a non-RGB keyboard. So here's the system requirements. It supports Windows only. You can tell on the back this keyboard boasting the switches. It's the main selling point that this keyboard equipped with the legendary Cherry MX Blue, not the clones. Again, it's non-RGB. It has only a white backlight, but you can customize it per key within the software. It also features a dedicated multimedia buttons, which is nice considering the Pro X model got similar but lacks of these multimedia buttons. Of course, this is sealed and brand new, bought it from the official Logitech store. Let's open this up. The packaging is really neat but comes with no protective foam. The manual is placed underneath the keyboard. Just be sure to download the software and we'll get to that later. But first, let's inspect the keyboard. So I'm gonna test the Cherry MX switch. Here's the specifications, by the way. It felt nice, but some keys are stuck if you click it on a certain angle. Did you notice the difference? From tilde key to key number 2 got a snapping noise if you press it on the tip of the keycaps. But from key number 3 and beyond are fine. So I actually googled about it, and the keyboard switch need a break-in process of approximately 2 weeks of usage to reduce its scratchiness and reach its optimum performance. Well, that actually makes sense because these switches are mechanical after all. So let's move on. 3 indicator lights for num lock, caps lock, and scroll lock. This is the game mode. You can disable any key you want, but you need to configure it within the software. This is the backlight on and off button. The rest are multimedia buttons. The legends are pretty much self-explanatory. The top housing got a matte finish, but the sides are glossy. As you can see here, it's covered in plastic to protect it from any damage. It looks really nice, however, it's easy to get scratched. On the top right side goes the keyboard model. 5 rubber padding on the back, and you can incline the keyboard as well. The USB cable is braided, non-gold plated, and non-detachable. Upon connecting it for the first time, the Logitech software will detect your equipment. Here you can change the lighting effect, you can edit the lights per key. There's also light sync effect, which is very cool because the light will synchronize with any multimedia you play. You can assign keys, shortcut, and macro functions here, and configure whichever keys to disable during game modes. There are 4 levels of lighting intensity. All the multimedia buttons are clicky and responsive. The scroll right here is to control volume. Very intuitive design, I like it. Now the game mode by default will disable the Windows key. So the keyboard price around 65 US dollar, that's around 1 million Indonesian rupiah. It is also available in red and brown switch as well. The keyboard performed well, despite some switches seems to be a little scratchy. I have no problem with Logitech keycaps, love the font style, but like almost every Logitech keyboard I've tried, they are prone to get dirty marks from your fingers. And to be honest, there's a lot of gaming keyboard within that price range, offers better features. But again, the software support and the Cherry MX switches are the main selling point here. So if you're fine with the white backlight only and the Cherry MX switch, then go for it. However, if you have a little more to spend, I suggest you to get the Pro X model instead. I have another video reviewing that model in my channel, so go ahead check them out if you're interested. That's that, thanks for watching and bye guys!